The best way to cut down pine trees. There are many reasons why you might need to cut down a pine tree. A pine tree can be infected by diseases and pests that can kill the tree. A dead pine tree can be a potential hazard that you must cut down. You may want to stock up on some firewood for the winter or just clear some land on your property. Cutting down the pine tree by yourself can be a cost-effective alternative to hiring a professional. Things you'll need: heavy-duty work gloves, pruning shears, ear protection, face shield, chainsaw. Ensure that you will have enough space where the tree will fall and that the tree will not be hitting any obstructions such as other trees or your house. Also confirm that you will be able to get out of the way when the tree falls. Clean the area under the tree, using pruning shears to cut any bushes, plants or other vegetation growing under the tree. Clean the area to ensure that you will have enough space to work safely as you cut the tree. Wear heavy-duty gloves when working with the pruning shears. Make the first cut on the pine tree using the chainsaw. The first cut should face where the tree will fall. That cut should be about waist high of the cutter, horizontal and 1/3 deep into the tree. Wear the heavy-duty gloves, face shield and ear protection for your safety when working with the chainsaw. Make the second cut on the pine tree. The second cut is above the first cut on the pine tree, also facing where the tree will fall. Make the second cut at a 45-degree angle meeting the tip of the first cut on the tree. The first and second cut should form a triangular wedge on the tree. Go to the opposite side of the tree where you made the triangular wedge cut and make the final cut on the pine tree. The final cut is also horizontal and should be 2 to the inches above the first cut on the tree. The tree will start to fall as the final cut reaches the triangular wedge on the tree. Turn the chainsaw off and quickly move a safe distance away from the falling tree.